basic left turns. I'm not bothered about other road users because at the moment I just want full control of this machine. End of the road, turning left, please. Mirror. Into the road. Mirror. Signal. So get off the clutch. No, get off the clutch. Brake first. Brake. Now first gear. First gear. To the bike. Think. Can you see there? Yeah. See the speed of rat?
Yeah.
It's first gear speed. You just don't. Again, if there's nothing there, quiet road, we get away being too fast. You have to buy into. Careful, that person might not be looking. Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with.
Like that. Yeah.
People pull out in front of you, and they've got to give way to us because we are the major road.
Yeah.
So again, people don't do that. So I'm driving and I see junctions like that. I'm going to ease off because someone might do something face at the end of the road. Turn left, please. Mirror. Brake first. Brake first. Slow it right down. Now into first gear. To the bike. That's it. So what you do here is literally think of like rotating. Keep your feet there.
Yeah.
You're about to go on the pavement. No, you missed it. Well done. Second gear. No way. So really, what we're doing: bike gas, a little bit of movement, rotate it, accelerate it.
Yeah.
So nothing wrong with going fast when it's safe to do so.
Yeah.
Like the hazards, we're going to treat them.
Yeah.
That's hazards. So a couple more of these. We're going to turn left, please. No, brake first. Get off that gear. Brake. Slow down. Now choose your gear for the point of turn. No more speed. Second. Around you go. And you coast to that all the way around.
Yeah.
So, a stall is what? Asking a car to do that hasn't got the power to deliver.
Yeah.
If you're slowing a vehicle down, is the car using any power?
No.
No, so you don't need to go on to change gears. Slow it right down. In fact, you're going to time it at the point of turn to slow it right down.
Yeah.
As you're timing it now, clutch down first gear, keep braking through the biting point, hold that bite, slow it down, turn, make a decision, holding the bite. How much gas? That much gas. Rotate it, accelerate it. That's much better.
Yeah.
Second gear and go. A lot more smoother.
Yeah.
Sit off, gentle. Squeeze it down. See the point of turn? Clutch comes down to first gear, back to the biting point. So you're just riding in, rotating it. Add some. How fast do you want to go? Rotate it. Right hand from the top, and then because you're going to link in that with accelerating out.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Take the next right, please. So again, we're in second gear. This is fine. So slow until you can see around the corner. Happy that way?
Yeah.
Happy behind you? Happy there? There we go. Round we go.
Oh, I can't do that.
Well, no, V's not in control. That's the thing. Turning right, please. Brake. Clutch down. First gear. Back to the bike. Rolling in slow, so you can start. Hang slow. No, because you're coming too fast. You had to jump. You're coming slower. You'll be doing this quicker by being slower.
Yeah.
So here, you just got to creep it a little bit. What you might be able to use is any reflections in windows up there. Might be able to bounce it back down there or the side of the car. Okay. Good. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. The point we're trying to get here is slow up to the hazard.
Yeah.
100% happy. Get out of it.
Yeah.
Take the next left here, please. So now don't change gear. You're fine. Round you go. Now the carb in there, you got to think about what's around the corners. Again, we get away with driving being far too fast until there's cars there. Now your brain's not going to pick up on that, and that's what I'm drilling into. Think what speed, think what could happen, think what could happen. So keep it nice and steady. Could someone walk out behind that van?
Yeah.
Why am I speeding up to something that someone could be walking out?
Yeah.
Anyone can drive at a physical speed, and the reason I say that, I was that driver.
Yeah.
How I made it to 21, I don't know. Luck.
Yeah.
So you got to think of the what if.
Yeah.
End of the road, turn right. Yeah, so slow it right down. Come crawling in. First gear here. Just roll it in slower. Then when it opens, as soon as it opens, you're ready to go. I'm going to take that. Could have done. Well, if you come nice and slow and look, more time to look, you can make that decision. You come rushing in, you're making a random decision, or not enough time. Most accidents are caused by people not having enough time.
Yeah.
One way or another. Go left into this estate, please. Right, so that's it. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Now, Ease off, because slow until, another hazard, slow until, keep it there, second gear's good. Think of first gear as moving off gear.
Yeah.
What you can do, of course, in second gear, if you're below the base speed, not the base speed is, and if you go below, the base speed is the slowest the car will go in that gear.
Yeah.
I.e. with no pedals on.
Yeah.
If you go below that speed, start stalling. But what you can employ is a rolling second, put the clutch back to the biting point,
Yeah.
and just roll through, and you can just move off with the bite,
Yeah.
rather than clunking into first gear.
Yeah.
So first gear is not really needed until you're about 3 or 4 miles an hour.
Yeah.
If you're using a rolling second between 4 and 10 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Make your way to the end of the road. And this is all about meeting and passing cars now.
Yeah.
Round here. Anticipating what could happen here. End of the road, turning left, please. So you're coming in, keep braking through the gear change. And you're just floating it in, rotate it, make a decision. Good. And then we just move away from there. Now I would suggest you don't change gear if you're not steering, because you can't do both. You're not an octopus. Turning right. Gonna be happy. And right hand. See, if you take the left hand from the top and push pull steering there, you can actually power it through and have the gears to change it there.
Yeah.
If you're on the roundabout doing that, how are you going to see down the left hand side if you brought your shoulder over?
Yeah.
It's not going to happen. Turning right, please. Okay, let's say right down. So just drifting in, hold it there, he's going to cut the corner, you see. Now if you come charging in there, he starts cutting the corner, which people do, because they're going too fast, you're going too fast, and you've got yourself a rather nasty meat situation.
Yeah.
No cars here, you've got to flow around at 15 miles an hour.
Yeah.
And this is the whole point I'm trying to drill into you guys. Now up to now, you see, you drive your tractor, you're the big boy in the world, everyone looks out for you.
Yeah.
You're now got to think about, and as the driving a truck, you've got to think about other more vulnerable road users smaller than you. So, in your mind, when are you going to test it? When are you going to do your driving test? When do you think? How long is it going to take?
Oh, I've got no idea.
So that dog will get the wrong side of that. Yeah, turn left, please. So just easy. So remember, coming off the gas pedal is a brake. So give that brake a chance, and if you need more, then we'll add to it.
Yeah.
What have you done to it?
Quite a bit. Where are we going?
Oh, sorry, first exit left. So go down there now. We're going to go across to... What we're going to do now then is we're going to drive over the back, go down Robert Smythe Land, and basically just increase the amount of traffic now dealing with it, get used to these hazards and things like that. If you're there, don't drive at it. You should be off the gas. It's like, what have they stalled?
Yeah.
Ease off. As soon as it's gone, you can then catch up with what you gained.
Yeah.
But all what you're doing, if you're just driving at it, first things first, anything's developing, check your mirror off the gas.
Yeah.
You've shown the examiner, for instance, you spotted it, you're dealing with it. If you just drive at it and it clears, oh, has he seen it? Has he not seen it? Think about the optics. You're 17. Looks like you drive a shitbox. Don't give them any fuel. Don't give them any fuel. You've got to be impeccable.